welcome back to our channel!
Ginagawa mo?
Run.
Ginagawa mo?
For today's video, we're unboxing the Pie Fish Challenge!
At mag-unbox din kami ng aming yung binili namin na Shopee items ordered from Shopee is the new ring light and new stand. I-unbox natin kung ano itsura at kung paano ito gamitin. First, i-unbox muna natin ito guys. Yung binili namin, yung stand at saka yung sunset lamp. Okay, let's try to open this one.
Okay,
Okay, try to open.
try to open.
Oh.
Wow!
Mama, get the scissor.
Mama, get the scissor, please.
Oh, what is this? Okay, first item,
First item.
scissor. Wow!
Wow, this is like the same!
Bumili din kami ng new mic.
Go down.
Ito yung sunset light. Bago, projection, rainbow projection sunset lamp. Power on this. Okay, try this one.
Okay, let's go.
Let's try to open that. Ito naman natin. Try to open.
Whoa!
Wow!
Wow!
Careful, EJ. Wow, look at this guys. Okay, let's try to assemble this one.
Okay, me.
First, there's a stand.
A stand.
Then, try to assemble this one.
Me, I want to assemble.
At EJ daw mag-assemble. EJ, I'll do this for you. Assemble this one. Sige, EJ, assemble na EJ. Wow! Meron siyang parang lamp. Yung parang lights. So, wow, so shiny.
Yeah, so
Shiny niya. Okay, let's try to
plug it in.
attach it.
Okay, attach it. Me.
Diba?
Wow, does it see me?
That. Wow! Diba?
Wow!
Ano ito? Sticker.
Yeah, sticker.
Ito yung parang
Ah, you're blue!
parang foil, parang lens cover. Ganyan.
I know.
Meron ko lang siyang tatlong klase. Meron sun shade,
Yellow.
yung medyo darker.
Oh, it's the green! It's
At
green!
yung rainbow, ito pala yung rainbow.
It's the green!
Rainbow color. Okay. Paano ito
Oh!
i-attach yung oil? Wala siya manual.
Oh!
Sige, try natin i-saksak. Paano siya wala mo siya manual. Ano kaya ito guys? Ito ba ito?
It's you!
Kaya pala. Kaya pala guys,
I told you
na-open
it's
siya.
open.
just
Twist it in.
twist it. Oh, baka mahulog yun. Wow! Ay, yun na pala yung mukha nyo. Yun. Oh, wow. Meron siya. Yung naka-install rainbow film. What color do you want, EJ?
I'm not blue. My favorite color.
This one. So many there.
No.
Rainbow, it's good. Rainbow. Ah, ito. Ito mo sa ilan. Tapos ito.
Okay.
Yung parang glass cover. Saka din. Yan mo siya. Yan. Okay. Okay.
Yellow.
Try to turn on.
How it
Okay,
works.
let's try to turn on.
Hey,
Anong
Mama.
color?
Hey, Mama.
Turn on. Wow.
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 Wow. Let's see, let's see, let's see. Wow.
Wow. Wow.
Hey, Mama.
Wow.
Hey, Mama.
Wow. Sigaw.
Yes.
Put in your eyes, you see lang, okay? Oh, pang background pala siya.
Wow. A shadow. What is it? Butterfly.
Butterfly. Snake.
Like this.
Oh, para siyang shadow. Hindi siya shadow.
I want make.
Okay, let's try to change
Hey,
the next
Mama,
color.
Mama.
Next color, please.
Oh.
Next color. Next color. Magic, next color. 1, 2, 3, go. Wala, siya lang.
Again.
Ah. Okay, let's try again the color.
I hear the
One color
helicopter.
red. Or let's try to open again. Open na.
3,
Go.
2, 1.
Ta-da! So it's the red one.
The shadow.
Parehara man na ganina.
Iba.
Right, siya. Okay guys, try naman natin yung yellow film. Okay, mama, kahit ko turn off the lights. Turn off the lights, please. Turn on the lights for the yellow one.
3, 2, 1.
Whoa, okay, this is center.
I'm a dog.
I'm a dog also.
I'm a butterfly.
I'm a snake.
I'm a snake too. On the light, please.
Okay.
Okay, next.
Next
We have a
item.
pie.
Yung costume pala namin is Mario Luigi. Say hi, DJ.
Hi.
DJ's Luigi. And I'm Mario.
Mamma mia!
Oh, yeah, I'm not.
Okay, so let's open the last package.
Then let's open it.
Magkano siya? Ito yung
Wow.
pinili namin na stand, tripod.
We're in a tripod.
Tripod. Okay, let's try to check. Lift it up. Okay.
Wow.
Oh, meron siyang free.
Okay, let's
Lalagyan niya. Free. Parang gusto. Oh.
Wow.
DJ, you get it?
oh.
We have the cell phone holder.
Wow.
Wow. Nice. We have the tripod. Oh, look at that. Oh. Cute na.
Yeah, it's so
Sobrang
shiny.
mura lang ito, guys. Parang,
Hey, this is so small, like there's one bigger one.
ipa-flash ko yung price. Wow, adjustable. Okay. Try to adjust. Up, up, up. Oh, may stress pala yun siya, guys. Meron siyang parang, see?
Wow.
May stress siya, no? Wow, ganda. Mura at ma-quality yung item. Wow. Ito yung actual picture niya. Same sa picture. Same talaga sa picture. Okay. Pa-flash ko sa screen. Wow.
Wow, you can fit.
Ganda, guys. Ano masabi? Nice quality. Maganda pala ito siya kasi adjustable yung anong tawag ito?
Camera stand.
Yung kuha niya.
Silver
Base. Adjustable. No? Kahit isang angle kaya. Rotation. 360 degrees rotation. Okay.
Next.
Dito mo ilagay yung cellphone mo. Then i-mount mo siya sa okay, DJ, i-mount mo siya sa base na tripod. Okay? Ay, yung lock niya pala nasa ilalim.
Need his phone first, please. I don't need his phone. Need his phone.
Okay, kailan naka-steady talaga siya. Naka-fix na. Okay, let's try in this phone.
Oh. What is this?
Okay, yan.
I can watch.
Yes.
I want to
Pwede siya
see.
ma-rotate. Rotate mo siya sa left, right.
Oh, it's Mama. Hi.
Tilt, tilt, tilt. Then what else?
And you can go up.
Go.
Up.
No, we need to lock it first. Lock it, then up. Up. Tiyan. Maganda siya guys. Sa murang halaga, quality talaga siya. Diba? Wow. Okay. Okay, magpasa tayo mag-thumbnail.
Thumbnail.
Turn on din. Turn on.
Get a pie.
Turn on sa thumbnail natin.
Kamu po ng kwento, ang may tripod.
Wala siya ikan. Ano na dyan?
Kamu po ng tripod. Kamu po ng tripod po. Kamu po ng tripod. Ay, ma-extend ba? Ay, good.
Adjust pa. Wait lang. Kasi adjust natin siya. Approve, Jake. Sige, buta nga.
Hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.
Maraming salamat!
See you in my next vlog.
Bye!